We're slashing database latency, bringing one-click automation to file workloads, and changing the way healthcare providers pay for imaging. We're kicking off 2026 fast. So, mount up those volumes and let's get into it. Happy New Year, and welcome to the January 2026 edition of the Pure Launch Roundup, where we share the latest enhancements and innovations from Pure Storage. And we aren't going to ease into this new year. We're hitting the ground running with a massive set of updates designed to remove bottlenecks from your hardware, your workflows, and your budget right from day one. The all-new FlashArray XL190 R5 is here and generally available. This is officially the new performance flagship of the family, engineered specifically for highly transactional database workloads where every microsecond counts. The XL190 R5 builds on the XL170's foundation, but adds a massive injection for DRAM for read caching. We're talking support for up to 3 terabytes per controller. And if you're running read-intensive workloads, that extra cache delivers a dramatic latency reduction, up to 70%. This brings you effectively to DRAM-class latency for your most critical data sets. It allows you to smash through your toughest service-level agreements and deliver instant results to your business, all without rewriting a single line of application code. But raw performance is only one side of the coin. You also need a solution for the massive amount of data that supports your general-purpose virtualization. To answer that need, FlashArray C is now officially validated for use with the Nutanix cloud platform. This allows you to decouple your storage from your compute nodes, so you can finally move those capacity-hungry secondary workloads like Tier 2 virtual machines, dev test environments, and backups onto our high-density QLC flash. It gives you the best of both worlds, the management and simplicity of Nutanix backed by the efficiency and 4.2 petabyte scale of the Pure platform. And because it's available via Evergreen One, you can consume it all as a flexible OpEx subscription, paying only for what you use. Now, let's talk about how we're simplifying your day-to-day. We're bringing some major enhancements to Pure Fusion, starting with how you handle file workloads with file presets. Until now, presets were a block-only party, but we've expanded that policy-driven automation to file storage. This means you can define your storage, protection, access, and connectivity policies once in a single reusable template. So when it's time to provision, you just pick the preset and deploy. It ensures every file workload is deployed consistently and correctly, replacing complex manual checklists and eliminating human error with a single click. We've also expanded where you can use that deployment intelligence. For our customers operating in high-security, disconnected environments, we've launched dark site placement. Previously, workload placement recommendations relied on the Pure One Cloud AI feature. Now, that intelligence is inside the firewall. You can now get fleet-aware, intelligent placement guidance for your block workloads without ever sending a byte of telemetry data. And finally, for Fusion, we're adding a feature that sounds simple, but solves a massive headache. Resource naming controls. If you've ever had to clean up an environment because someone named a volume test final v2, you're gonna love this. You can now enforce standardized naming structures directly within your presets. You set the convention like requiring a site name or customer ID, or even use system variables such as the disk serial number or UUID, and the system enforces it at the point of provisioning. No more scripts, no more manual policing, just clean, compliant environments by default. And rounding out the updates, we have some exciting news for our healthcare customers. Evergreen One for medical imaging is now generally available. This delivers a true cloud-like experience for enterprise imaging where you get sub-second access to large imaging studies on fast, secure all-flash infrastructure, but with a predictable per-study pricing model. It's the performance clinicians need with the financial alignment your admins want. And finally, we've launched a major integration for data resilience, cyber resilience visibility with Rubrik. Here's the problem. When you get hit with a cyber attack, finding a clean snapshot to recover from is often a guessing game. Now, Rubrik's threat intelligence talks directly to Pure One. So if Rubrik detects a threat in your backup data, it flags it, and Pure One automatically tags the corresponding snapshots on your FlashArray. This gives you a clear green light on which snapshots are safe to restore, eliminating the risk of reinfection and drastically cutting your recovery time when it matters most. So there you have it, all the news from across the Pure Storage platform. With all this new power under the hood, there's nothing slowing you down. Which new capability are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments down below. And for more updates, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future episodes, and while you're at it, give us that big thumbs up to let us know this was useful to you. And if you're looking to stay connected to Pure Storage and be the first to know about all the latest and greatest innovations, be sure to check out the Pure Launch Innovations page, as well as Pure 360, all linked down below. So thanks so much for watching, and until I see you in the next episode, stay pure.